Ready, start. Vision document highlights that despite the availability of resources in the state, there are stark gender gaps in terms of access to food, health, income, assets, and justice. Stop. The document clearly notes that development benefits have spread to living conditions and education, but the lack of access to basic facilities adversely affect women's health and nutrition outcomes, increases learning disparities, and infrastructural discrepancies, lead to increased burden of care work and household chores, especially that of collecting water. Stop. States nutrition indicators highlight significant female undernourishment in spite of high food consumption. Full stop. Another gap pertains to education and livelihood outcomes. Stop. The state ranks relatively high on female education rates in the country, with almost 38% completion rates among girls in secondary education and 10% female completion rates for graduates. Stop. In Punjab, more women are involved in unpaid work and spend about the same number of hours in unpaid work, 7.6 hours per day, as men spend in paid work, 7 hours per day. Stop. Work without recognitions is also reflected in ownership patterns. Stop. Though women are engaged in agricultural operations with 10,000 female farmers, they operate only 1% of the total area. Punjab Vision Document 2020. Stop. Vision document rightly notes that the diverse and new types of gender discrimination and violence against women are not adequately captured. Stop. There is insufficient information to guide policy and to develop effective measures to combat such culturally accepted yet specific forms of mental and physical forms of violence in the state. Stop. State government has taken concerted steps to address the aforementioned issues that pose challenges to the well-being and development of women and girls in the state. Stop. State Resource Center for Women is mandated to give focused attention to intersectoral issues affecting women by undertaking research, maintaining gender-related data, and engage in training and capacity building programs to enable greater understanding on women's issues, especially bringing the discourse on women belonging to vulnerable and marginalized communities on the forefront. Stop. The strength of the SRCW has increased from 5-member team, state coordinator, specialist gender. Stop. With an aim to empower women-headed households. The Mata Tripta Yojana is a novel scheme that is designated specifically to cater to families run by single woman. Stop. It was launched in 2021 to ensure that the benefits of existing ongoing 78 government schemes